In this video, I'll show you how to change the name of your AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Right now they're called AirPods Pro, but let's say you want to be more creative and change this name. Well, all you have to do is to go on your phone, open settings, make sure that the top lid of your AirPods Pro here is open, and you should see AirPods Pro option right on the top ones. Tap on it. Then once you're on this page, you're going to see name with the AirPods Pro name here. Tap on it. And from here, you'll be able to modify this to anything. Let's say I want them to be called Joseph. I just typed it there. Once you're done, you're going to press done, go back, and the name will be changed. This is very easy. Now you can close them and, use them as usual. And next time you want to check their name, you're going to see the custom name you just entered a few seconds ago appearing there. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, a comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.